Hey, how you doing? My name is DTM, aka Delta Tango Mike. I want to take a moment to talk about the subscriptions to DTM's content here on Behance. The content that I share is going to be focused on original art in Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Fresco, featuring character art design, concepts, and illustrations created here live. Now, what is in the subscription section of DTM? Well, it includes live streams, source files created in these live streams, and how-to tutorials and demos. In the live streams, I'm going to go live. I do go live already with the Illustrator, Fresco, Sketchable app. I do digital art on the Surface Pro, digital art on the iPad Pro, and then I like to talk about the business of art. I want to share as much about my experience as a professional artist as possible. I want everyone to grow and enjoy the process of creating while finding a way to make a living doing what you love. The source files that I plan to share, and I'm starting to add a lot of these projects now, include Adobe Illustrator files, Adobe Photoshop files, vector brushes, and even collaborative files that I'll be able to share through the Creative Cloud. So stay tuned for those, because I want to be able to collaborate with some of you. Anybody who's ready to draw something to add their flavor into the art form, let's do it. I'm down with it. Some of the things that I'm also going to share are art tutorials and demos. Like I said, I like to use the Surface and the iPad. So here is my Surface. Thank you. What's up? What's up? Come on back. Come on. Ooh, let me get you. Extend the right place. There it is. Bam. Get my pen. I like it. And there goes Adobe Fresco. So this is a Surface right here. Bam. I want to share demos and tutorials, whether I'm working on the Surface or the iPad. And I recently just got my iPad Pro M1. Oh my God, there it is right there. Charging up the pencil. Boom, boom, boom. I'm gonna share demos and tutorials dealing with digital art, Illustrator for beginners, Fresco for beginners, exclusive video content found only on Behance. Plus, I think this is where I want to be able to build a collaborative effort with you, is the one-on-one 1-hour tutorials. So I want to make myself available to then dig deep into your why. What do you want to create? What is it that you want to create? And where do you want this artwork to live? All right, so go ahead and check out the description here in the post. Check out the rest of my posts. Reach out to me anytime. I am Dan at thecreativegenius.com. You can find me Instagram, Twitter, or Facebook, Delta Tango Mike. So feel free to just get in contact and let me know if you have any other questions. What else would you like to see here on the exclusive subscriber content? All right, I stream regularly on Mondays and Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern. And I have some upcoming streaming dates, some new streaming dates that I'm going to be adding into my weekly streams starting in late October. October? What are we now? We're in July, so late August. Okay, I'm got my months mixed up. In any case, let me know what you think about it, and I hope to see you there. Talk to you later.